Hello you guys, you're welcome again to yet another recipe. Today we are making chunky cookies. See, my hands, I'm licking my hands from the cookie. So we thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home, right in my own kitchen. How are you guys doing? So please, I can't wait. Let's get into it. We're making chunky cookies today. You can see how it is. So mouth-filling. Honestly, so sweet. Not very sweet, but at least it's good for your health. So let's get right into it. I'm so excited. I'm going to be making my best cookie, and we are having a lot of nuts in. So let's get into the ingredients. Chocolate chips. I have 120 gram. The white chocolate chips, 120 gram. Walnut, 120 gram. Almond nut, 80 gram. $500 gram of unsalted butter, room temperature. Salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 baking soda teaspoon. 4 tablespoons of vanilla extract. 3 eggs. Flour, 1 kilo of flour. The first thing that we are going to be doing is our butter and our sugar. So we'll be mixing our butter, pouring it into our bowl. And now pour in your granulated sugar. The brown sugar go in, and the white sugar go in at the same time. So I'm going to be pouring in my salt because they are all unsalted. We'll be mixing it together. So we allow it to mix together to combine and get it soft. So that is what we're going to do. So together to combine and get it soft. So that is what we're going to do. Just cutting its bits. so creamy. So when you have the combination of all of it in a cookie, honestly speaking, you cannot but stop. Just keep eating. You can't stop eating. Okay. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is cracking in our eggs and adding in the vanilla. So we add in our vanilla. So I'm going to be adding in my soda now. Into my dry ingredients and mix them together. So we'll be adding in our flour bit by bit into our mix. So I'm adding flour and just mixing it a bit. So we're done mixing right now, and we're still left with flour. I'm not mixing this in yet, so I'm going to be removing it. I don't want a lot of I don't want it to over mix so that it will not be chewy. So we are done mixing, so I'm going to be removing it. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is pouring in our chocolate chips into my flour and the nuts. So let's get into it. So I'm pouring in my chocolate chips into just a little bit of flour left behind. I'm pouring in my almond and I'm mixing it, my walnuts, and my dark chocolate. In case you're using the same butter to do different chocolates, this is when you can separate your butter and use it for different chocolates. For instance, if I'm doing a butter cookie, I separate my butter now. I separate my butter for any other cookies I want to make. But let's get into it. So I'm pouring in. So I'm pouring it in. Make sure everything is in. So now I'm going to mix them together. Ready? Get your hands washed and we start molding. So I'll be molding into my tray, my oven tray, and I'm putting some. Also, you can refrigerate some if you're not baking immediately. So I put in my parchment paper and just have a good mold of it, this size. Remember we said chunk. So this one goes into my freezer. I'll be refrigerating those ones and have cookie anytime you want. You can just put it in your air fryer and it bakes up and have fresh cookie every time. Okay. Wow, it's ready. Look how big it is. The excitement or enough. I can't laugh it out. Look how big, how chunky it is. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Honestly, it tastes so nice, so mouth-filling. I can't wait to just continue to eat. And look how big it is. See how chunky, how it is. Not too sweet. It is so nice. Not very sweet. Honestly speaking, this is a good result. Please can you just try it out and send me a pic of it. Thank you for staying with me till now. Please do give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe. Please turn on your notification bell. God bless you.